FrankenJones Sewing Machine Company. Well, you've heard of Frankenstein. Well, now meet FrankenJones. This is an old 1940s, 1950s cabinet that we started off with. Had an electrical machine in it. We had a Jones treadle base out of a cabinet, so we decided to mount that in it, which actually fitted absolutely beautifully. And then we had a very special machine. So this one here is the Jones Spool. It's absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, it's very, very similar to the Wheeler and Wilson design. So this is what we've done. We've carved the sides out. Lucky enough to have some bobbins and attachments with it. So this one here is going to be one of our displays for lost trades, and if we get it all going, we'll actually be demonstrating on it. But the amazing part about this one is, see there, the old standard Jones logo. Old Guide Bridge factory near Manchester. Every other one we've seen has got Manchester on it. So that's really quite an unusual thing, but what a delightful machine. What beautiful condition this is. We just feel so honoured to actually have it. So, thank you for your time, and thank you for meeting FrankenJones.